In today's fast-paced world, students need smarter study methods. Meet StudyX, a free AI-powered tool that quickly summarizes your notes from lectures, textbooks, slides, or even YouTube videos, making studying effortless.
Let me show you StudyX's new feature. Now you can quickly summarize notes and boost your study efficiency.
Got a long chapter or a messy transcript? Just paste it into StudyX, and in seconds, it transforms your raw text into clear, structured notes. Tired of scrolling endlessly through dense PDF textbooks? StudyX can handle that too. Upload any PDF, and it transforms overwhelming information into concise, understandable notes. Presentation slides can be daunting. Too many bullet points, too little clarity. Drop your slides into StudyX and grasp key concepts quickly and easily. Learning from YouTube videos? Skip the endless rewinds. Just paste your YouTube link and receive neat, detailed notes. Whether it's a lecture, a PDF, or a video, StudyX helps you turn content into clarity. Smarter notes, faster studying. And it's free. Try it now.